While it's gaining in popularity in recent years, not everyone has heard of ghee. It's a powerhouse of vitamins and acids which promote good health. Ghee is its own unique class of butter. When butter is boiled, milk solids caramelize and are removed. Ghee is the concentrated residue of pure fats that remains. It has a distinct nutty taste and contains no trace of milk proteins, sugars, or water. It is one of the highest food sources of butyric acid and is bursting with vitamins and fatty acids, both unsaturated and saturated. It is also loaded with omega-3 and 9. Similar to butter, ghee must be consumed in moderation, no more than 3 or 4 teaspoons daily. Too much ghee can produce harmful effects. In today's video, we will describe 8 health benefits of including ghee in your diet. 1. Build strong bones. Ghee is one of the few foods that is rich in vitamin K, especially vitamin K2. Vitamin K2 is essential in helping the body utilize minerals, including calcium. In fact, this potent vitamin builds bones more efficiently than calcium. Maintaining a proper level can also protect against tooth decay. Another function of ghee is to keep joints and connective tissues lubricated, increasing flexibility. 2. Immune system booster. Ghee is brimming with vitamin A, which helps eliminate free radicals in the body. Vitamin A is also tasked with keeping the immune system functioning properly. That's not all. Vitamin A is a powerful antioxidant that may help prevent certain types of cancer, especially ulcerative colitis that could otherwise lead to colon cancer. 3. Boosts energy level. Since experts recommend that athletes use ghee as a consistent energy source, perhaps we should take the same advice. The fatty acids in ghee are quickly processed by the liver and burned as energy. Besides boosting metabolism and energy levels, ghee aids in the body's absorption of fat-soluble vitamins like A, D, E, and K, which enhance stamina. 4. High smoking point. While being processed, ghee can endure a higher smoking point compared to coconut oil or extra virgin olive oil. This means when the temperature rises to the stratosphere, or 482 degrees Fahrenheit, it won't break into free radicals. These villainous free radicals are unstable molecules that create havoc on our health, from premature aging to cancer. So when you consume ghee, your risk level of ingesting those villains are extremely low. 5. Improves the digestive tract. A 2000 study revealed that people with unhealthy digestive tracts don't naturally produce butyric acid. Since good digestion is a key to good health, it's essential to incorporate foods rich in butyric acid into your diet to aid digestion. This acid nourishes cells in the intestines, reduces leakage of undigested food particles, and aids in repair of the mucosal wall. 6. Reduces inflammation. Butyric acid is one of the major fatty acids that the body needs to fight inflammation, especially in the gastrointestinal tract. Patients suffering from ulcerative colitis, Crohn's disease, or other inflammatory bowel diseases would be wise to include ghee in their diet. And according to Ayurveda, gently rubbing ghee on cranky joints can help soothe inflammation, lubricate joints, and banish arthritis stiffness. 7. Improves eye health. Vitamin A makes the list because of its ability to improve eye health and protect against several eye-related health problems. This powerful antioxidant aids in eliminating and neutralizing free radicals that attack the macular cells. This in turn reduces the risk of macular degeneration and the development of cataracts. The fatty acid in ghee augments the body's absorption of this important vitamin, as well as other nutrients. 8. Healthier skin. Ghee's natural properties can keep skin moisturized over a long period of time. It penetrates deep into the skin to keep it hydrated. Dry skin accelerates premature aging, including wrinkles, fine lines, and saggy skin. Here's how to apply ghee. Warm a small amount of ghee until it's at a comfortable temperature and generously apply to your skin. Massage thoroughly for 5 minutes. Wait 10 minutes before showering. Following this procedure daily will create lasting, glowing skin. To treat chapped lips, apply a thin film and leave on overnight. You can store ghee without refrigeration for years and it will still remain fresh. Since the milk solids have been removed during the processing, ghee can be safely consumed by people who are lactose intolerant. Ghee is also an alternative for those looking for a butter